Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Mastalski, and today we're going to play a math game called What Am I? You only need a couple things to play this game, and the first is some sort of container. You can use some sort of bag or a box or anything you have at home to use as a container. And then you're going to need 5 shapes. Now, if we were playing this game at school, we would be using the foam shapes that we have in our classroom. But since we're not at school and I don't have those foam shapes at my house, I had to make them. So I cut mine out of cardboard, but you can make shapes out of anything that you have at your house. You might need your grown-ups' help though to make these shapes. The shapes that we're going to use are circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and rhombus. Now, what you're going to do today is not only name the shapes, but you're also going to describe what they look like. So let's go over that first. A circle is all round. It has no sides and no corners. So all round for a circle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 flat sides and 1, 2, 3 pointy corners. So triangle, 3 sides, 3 corners. A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 flat sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Then a rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. A rectangle and a square both have 4 sides and 4 corners. But if you notice the square, all 4 sides are the same. But then a rectangle looks like we took that square and stretched it out. So 2 of the sides are longer and 2 of the sides are shorter. Now the last shape we're going to use is called a rhombus. Sometimes it looks like this and you call it a diamond, but remember we call it a rhombus. And look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners too. 4 sides and 4 corners, just like the square and the rectangle. But this one has, the rhombus has 2 straight sides and then 2 of the sides are kind of slanted. So almost like you take a square and you slant it a little bit. All right, so to play the game, you're going to put your shapes in your container, mix them up, then you're going to close your eyes and feel inside your container and then describe what you're feeling. So we're going to play the game first where I'm going to describe what I feel and you're going to guess the shape. Ready? Okay, the first shape that I have has 4 sides and 4 corners, but 2 of the sides are stretched out. What am I? Did you guess a rectangle? Then you're right. All right, let's try again. Okay, the shape that I have in my hand this time has no sides and no corners. It's all round. What am I? You're right, it's a circle. Okay, let's try again. All right, this time I feel a shape that has 4 sides and 4 corners, and all of the sides feel like they're the same length. What am I? It's a square. Good. Okay, let me reach in. All right. Oops, I thought I missed one. Let me shuffle them up. Okay. This time, I feel a shape that has 3 sides and 3 corners. What am I? Triangle. Great job. Okay, there's only one left. Let me feel it. Okay, the shape has 4 sides and 4 corners, but it feels like it only has two straight sides and the other two sides are kind of slanted. What shape am I? Rhombus! Great job, everybody. Okay, so now it's your turn. Remember, you're going to find a container and find or make the 5 shapes: circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and rhombus. And you're going to play the game maybe by yourself or with your brother or sister or with a grown-up, where you take turns feeling the shape and describing it. So this isn't just about naming the shape. I want you to be able to describe it too, okay? Here's some questions you can think about whenever you're feeling if you're maybe confused how to describe it. Think to yourself, is the shape round? Does the shape have any flat sides? How many sides does it have? Does the shape have any pointy corners? How many pointy corners? And that will help you make sentences to describe your shapes. All right, boys and girls, have fun playing, and we'll see you soon.